If you're walking down the right path and you're willing to keep walking, eventually you'll make progress. The future rewards those who press on. I don't have time to feel sorry for myself. I don't have time to complain. I'm going to press on. In a world of complex threats, our security and leadership depend on all elements of our power, including strong and principled diplomacy. The shift to a cleaner energy economy won't happen overnight, and it will require tough choices along the way. But the debate is settled. Climate change is The thing about hip-hop today is it's smart, it's insightful. The way they can communicate a complex message in a very short space is remarkable. Money is not the only answer, but it makes a difference. My identity might begin with the fact of my race, but it couldn't end there. At least that's what I would choose to believe. I'm the President of the United States. I'm not the Emperor of the United States. Change is never easy, but always possible. You can't let your failures define you. You have to let your failures teach. We did not come to fear the future. We came here to shape it. If you run, you stand a chance of losing, but if you don't run, you've already lost. I think when you spread the wealth around, it's good for everybody. We may not be able to stop evil in the world, but how we treat one another is entirely up to us. When times get tough, we don't give up. We get up.